If you want to maintain your privacy while using Lyft, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon in the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Scroll through the Settings menu until you find the Privacy section. This is where you can manage your online visibility and other privacy-related options. Step 4. Toggle Online Status. Look for the option that allows you to control your online status. Toggle the switch to turn off your online visibility. This will prevent others from seeing when you are available for rides. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save any changes if prompted. Exit the Settings menu and return to the main screen of the app. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Lyft, allowing for a more private experience while using the service.